one of our viewers, Jim, he reached out to us and had a question, or actually a certain type of solution that he's requesting. So let's a little background from Jim. Jim, actually what they do is they make movie trailers, and they are located in Southern California, in Los Angeles. So they make a lot of the blockbuster trailers that we see in movies and in TV shows. They're the ones that do all of those trailers. So what they're having is a sort of a bottleneck dilemma, in that the dailies that are being shot on location, on set, are being transported to them, but are being transported in the form of a link, a download link. And Jimmy's telling us that that download link is taking too long to download. Okay, to download the information. Sometimes it stops, sometimes it's just taking too long, and it's costing them money to have to sit there and wait to download this information. And then the files are extremely large, so when they're downloading them onto their machines, whether it's their Macs or their PCs, that those files are huge, and it's taking up a lot of the space on their machines as well, having to transport and delete a lot of stuff so they can just start editing that actual information. So these are large raw files, in some cases 6K, 8K video content. So in talking more in detail with Jimmy, we asked him some questions regarding his connectivity, his networking, etc. We found out that he does want to go with a 10 gig network. Obviously it's faster. So what the overview of what we've suggested is to go with a 10 gig switch like this one. This is a QNAP, a 10 gig switch, and you can see here it has a 10 gig connectors here. It also has the connectors here as well for fiber, 10 gig as well, so it's really great. It's also a gigabit connectivity as well, so a machine very well suited for the environment, like Jimmy's company. And we're looking at a system similar to this one. This is the QNAP TVS 872 XT. We like it in Jim's case because it has Thunderbolt. It does the Thunderbolt connectivity. It has two Thunderbolt 3 connections, as well as 10 gig connection as well. So it works really well with this one, 10 gig, and their machines are going to be 10 gig. The editors also have Mac, so this does have Thunderbolt as well, and somewhere in between they can utilize a QNAP adapter that will turn the 10 gig into Thunderbolt as well. So again, something like this as well. We are going to design a solution for Jim that's going to be specific to him. So stay tuned. What that final product is going to be, you're going to see a white paper as well. So the white paper is going to explain every system, everything we used, everything down to the last nuts and bolts. Okay, so you guys can kind of look at that as well, and you guys can study that. The video results I will be uploading as well, so you guys can actually see the final product, what we did, and how we created the solution. We're going to show you the throughputs as well. So a lot of what we do, you will be able to see the final throughput and see if that's enough for what Jim's doing for transferring his data and getting him what he needs, again, on location, bringing it back to his studio, and then being able to edit it and get it to a final product. Okay, so stay tuned, guys, for those results, and it'll be part 2 of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll keep you updated in all the storage technology that's coming. Okay, guys.